The first and most critical step in any RBC installation is to make sure that a proper system design and layout has been performed by LYTECH or an authorised LYTECH partner. This will ensure compliance to international standards and system effectiveness. The installing contractor should be properly trained in RBC technology and best installation practices by LYTECH's engineering team. Inspect each RBC upon initial delivery to ensure no damage was sustained in transportation. Ensure proper tools and equipment are readily available for the project. Unpack and transport each RBC to the tank rim. The contractor should review the associated RBC design for proper RBC placement. Each location should be identified and marked prior to work beginning. Once marked, the contractor can begin the process of placing mounting holes in the correct locations using a pneumatic punch suitable for the rim material thickness. Paint should be removed, exposing bare metal where the mounting plate will be located. Prior to the RBC being mounted to each designated location, ample no-ox electrically conductive anti-corrosion compound should be applied to the mounting area on the tank rim and the underside of the mounting plate. RBCs are aligned and then attached using properly sized stainless steel bolts, washers and nuts using adequate torque to ensure proper attachment. This photo shows a properly installed RBC. Note the no-ox compound between the tank rim and RBC. This is important to ensure electrically conductive anti-corrosion measures are in place. Repeat the same installation process on the foam dam or tank roof as was performed on the tank rim. Identify the correct attachment locations as per the RBC system design. Using a pneumatic punch, place mounting holes in the proper locations. Remove paint, exposing bare metal. Coat with electrically conductive no-ox compound. Attach RBC cable plate to mounting holes using proper fasteners and adequate torque to appropriate tightness. Inspect each RBC installation and take photos of each to document for reference. Job complete.